Hey there. I know that time is something that most of us don't have enough of, but here are a few easy tips that are quick and relatively inexpensive to do to make your home absolutely ready to be sold as fast as possible. Take a look here and then be sure to give me a call and let me know when you're ready to sell your home.
Try updating your house numbers. This quick fix will really set you apart from your neighbors and makes your home easier to find. There are many options to choose from, so get creative. Paint an old piece of furniture. This can turn an outdated nightstand or chair into a new stunning addition. Also, go ahead and paint your front door. Try something that complements your home or be daring with a bold color. Cracks and gaps in sidewalks and walkways can quickly expand throughout the year. Not only will a patch job make your pathway look nice, it will also make it safer for visitors. Fix your sidewalk and driveway with a patching compound specifically made for cement.
Thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping you on your real estate journey. So whether you're buying, selling, or investing in real estate, be sure to give me a call and let me put my years of experience to work for you. Give me a call at 610-967-0538 or hit the messenger button here and I will get back to you as quickly as possible. See you soon.